Hello guys, today in this video I'm going to be changing the cam positioning sensors on a 2005 350Z. This is my daily driver right here, and I got a check engine light. I got it diagnosed and it was both cam positioning sensors, and I forgot the code, but I'll put it in the caption. Just got my package from 1aauto.com right there. If you're gonna order these online, the guaranteed cheapest place to do it is from 1A Auto. I'll put a link in the description. And it was, I don't know how much it cost, but I got both sensors and valve cover gasket set. I think this is all like 50 bucks, pretty cheap. At a AutoZone or like this auto parts store, these would be like 50 bucks each or something like that. I remember they were really expensive, but I found them online at 1aauto.com. It was pretty cheap. Anyways, I already got started here. It's a non-rev up. Okay, the first step is to disconnect your battery. As you can see, I already did that. I'm gonna clean this up too. The sensors are back there. You can kind of see it right there. That's the passenger side. All right, for the passenger side, I started unbolting this one. It's that one with the plug right there. You can see it. It's just one bolt for this one, and this one's a straight one. For whichever model your G35 or 350Z is, it might be different. Okay, I just pulled it out. This is what it looks like. Big plug like this with 3 wires. It looks like this. And then to unplug it, you just press down. Can't do it with one hand, but yeah. Okay, I just got it unplugged it. Here's the old sensor, as you can see. Here's the new one right here. And for these kind of plugs, you want to click it downwards like this, but it will normally come like, hard to do, but normally it comes out like where it comes up, and you want to push it in, and it'll be really hard to get off. Mine looks a little bit broken. I think that's why it was hard to get off, but yeah. Okay, here's what it looks like. After you put it in, you want to click it back out. I just pushed on the plastic piece from the inside, and you can put it back in. Okay, I removed the intake and throttle body. Over here, the intake is just this, and there's a hose underneath, and for the throttle body is four bolts. 4 bolts in this plug, and pretty simple. And the sensor is right here underneath this hose, so I'm going to take this off. It's right there. Alright, there's a plug. Same process, just push that down. Like this time, driver's side is green. Push it down towards you and then just pull it out. Here's the old one, and here's the new one. Okay, I already reset the check engine light, so mine's gone, but you can look it up on YouTube. There's another video someone does how to reset the engine light code. But I'm gonna start my car.